What up, everybody? The other day I was talking about those garbage steaks that I got from the grocery store. It's horrible, grass-fed, it tastes like trash. So I'm gonna make a marinade for them, just to kind of bring them back to life or something, tenderize them, give them some flavor, something gotta give. I'm gonna go sort of Asian on it, if you will. Got a couple Asian friends, they probably gonna disapprove, but you know, we'll see. They'll cuss me out about it. I got some green onions right here. One of the bases for a lot of Asian cooking is ginger, garlic, and scallion. So I got some scallion, some ginger, some garlic, and we're gonna cut that up. Small enough to get into all the little pieces. Notice how I push this up onto my knife and not scrape my knife on the board. I'm trying to keep that edge on there as long as possible. Got a microplane grater. You need to get one of these. This thing is bad. So instead of sitting here trying to chop all of the garlic and all of that, I'm just going to grate this, and you can see how small it is. Ginger is sort of fibrous too, so it kind of helps break down those fibers that you don't really want to chew on. Give it a nice little tappy tap. Take some of this garlic. We're gonna do the same thing on the microplane. I can tell you how much to use, but it's probably gonna be wrong. I don't really use recipes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. I'm just gonna use everything that I got peeled right here because I don't like peeling garlic. When I get rich, I'm gonna just hire somebody to peel garlic for me. That's all. Your only job is to just peel garlic. Because this boy. So we got our ginger, garlic, and scallion in here. Next, we're gonna add some soy sauce. Get a decent amount of soy sauce. This is also going to be our sodium content, so we're not going to add too much salt. But what fun would that be if I didn't get to play with my electric salt grinder? Got a little bit of salt. We got some brown sugar, decent amount of brown sugar, mandarin oranges, and some lime. So we're gonna nice little roll there. Loosen the juices and get them all excited. Show you a little trick. Last time I did this, I broke my other tongs. I had to go buy some. But if you can't squeeze the lemons or the limes, stick it in the tongs like that. There's that little bit of leverage you got there. Don't squeeze your finger. If you do, I ain't tell you to do this. I ain't had nothing to do with it. But if I needed to, like if I had a cramp in my hand from doing, I'm not gonna tell you from what, but if I had a cramp in my hand, more sweetness and acidity from these mandarins. That's a little whisk. Nice mix. It ain't dark enough. I need to be almost dark as me. A little more soy sauce. There we go. That's good. And then I like to add a little bit of heat to mine, so crushed red pepper flakes. Give it a nice little whisk. Can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. All right, next we're gonna take these trash steaks. Grass-fed beef, boneless New York strip. Trash. But we're gonna fix that right here. Right here. Right now. So like I said, it was tough and flavorless. Flavor, we just made that marinade right there. Beat it with the back side of the knife. I'm not trying to cut it off. You just wanna beat it up like your little brother when you're trying to play the PlayStation with you and your friends. Beat them with the back of the knife. Don't beat them with the knife. Don't do that. This is trash. We're gonna fix it though. So I'm beating this. You can also use a meat mallet. I don't have one here. If I go pull out my regular hammer, I'm gonna have haters in the comments. Why he up there going all Black and Decker on the stage? Nice little choppy chops. We didn't really cut much. We just kind of beat it up a little bit. Both sides up. Beat a little more here. And then what we're gonna do with this is slice it as thin as we possibly can, because it's tough. Thin like that. Get your nice sharp knife. Toss that all in the bizzo. And I'm gonna keep this fat on here because like I said, this thing don't got no flavor, so we gotta keep whatever flavor we can keep. You wanna tell them what you're about to eat? Huh? You gonna tell the audience what you're about to eat? My dad's a chef, but I love noodles. I'm not gonna put this in there. It's kind of pointless. I'm gonna save that in case I make a beef stock sometime soon. And again, we're slicing this as thin as we can because it's a tough garbage cut of meat from Aldi. I can't believe they even did this. Got to come off. This right here, that little bit just too much. And then after we get this all cut up and in a bowl, you can marinate this for about 6 to 8 to 24 hours if you want to. But I'm not gonna go that route. I have vacuum seal machine, so when you vacuum seal it, it expedites the marinating and you don't have to wait all of that time. So after I put it in that vacuum machine, I can probably be ready to go in like an hour or two. Oh no, Cletus. All right, I just get another bag. Let me wash my hands. Found my bag. It's on the damn floor. That's okay, North. Why don't you love me in the morning? I got more bags. So I'm just gonna open this up. Give this a nice little mix with my hand. You know, open it before you mix it. If you can use a spoon. I don't like that. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, you hear that? Listen. Just give it a nice mix. We're gonna dump that into my vacuum seal bag. Nice and sloppy. Oh yeah. You don't want to overwork your machine, so you close it as much as you can. Get some of the air out by kind of rolling it a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this over to the vacuum machine. I just went and got the machine instead of moving the camera and all that. This is a new one. I only used it probably once or twice, but I like it because you got this little thing on here to seal the bags and seal jars. So you little hole right there. Is this on? I think I'm doing this right. Put it over the hole. Push the button. Nope, I'm doing it wrong. Oh, here it is. Accessory. I gotta wait until I press the button. It's sealing. It ain't supposed to do that. There we go. Alright. So that's all marinated. Got some splurge all over the place, but it'll be good in about an hour, and then I can do whatever I want to do.
When you find yourself hungry, you want something to eat, call Munchie Man, he got exactly what you need.